This is the low conversion rate survival guide. Okay, I want to tell you the unbounces confession and your emergency checklist. Maybe you are an MVP founder, you are successfully shipping features and acquiring traffic, but your business is starting down two conversion numbers. The first one, the low conversion rate, and the second one, a rapidly shrinking runway. We often glorify the startup success stories, but we don't pay attention that most of the startup success comes from failing enough to learn and then use data learning to optimize what they were doing wrong. So in this guide, I wanna break down the Unbounce origin story. This guide breaks down the core brutal lessons from the Unbounce story. Company that openly confessed they were struggling with ineffective self-centered copy and the resulting low conversion rate. If the company that literally invented a category for landing page optimization could make such a fundamental mistake, it's a warning sign for every early stage founder. So the fatal mistake they made is the trap of feature first copy. The original sin that nearly killed Unbounce was the most common one in software as a service. They talked only about themselves, their impressive technology stack, and their list of features. This is the language of engineers and product managers, not marketers. When your conversion rate is low, it means your traffic isn't experiencing what they want to experience. They are not understanding the core message of the landing page. They don't see how your beautiful tool solves their ugly, painful problem. And as I wrote here, like Unbounce realized they were trying to sell a landing page builder when their customers only cared about buying more conversion, reduced ad spend waste, and better marketing return on investment, ROI. So the first step, how Unbounce team did it and how you can do it too. The first step is flip the narrative from tool to transformation. Think about this. You don't want to sell the tool. Always try to sell the transformation because people don't care about how they will achieve the result they will achieve. They only care about the final transformation. Stop writing a copy that starts with our product has or we offer. These statements require the reader to do the heavy lifting of translating a technical specification into a personal benefit. A cognitive leap 99% of web traffic will never make. For example, if you only write our software as a service, multi-tenant architecture, and a robust API for seamless integration, it will fail because it focuses on complexity and internal structure, not user value. A better one would be save 10 hours a week on reporting and cut manual errors by 80%. It's a much more specific one. And even a better one would be stop reading the Monday metrics, metric meetings, get the verifiable return on investment data you need to prove your marketing budget is working. The last one addresses the underlying stress and emotional pain point of the target user. It could be the founder or marketing lead. The runway killer here is the conversion rate. Take a look at this. If you spend like $1,000 on traffic and you get 1,000 visitors and the conversion rate is 1%, you get a total signups, let's say 10 signups. The cost per acquisition is $100. But if instead you increase the conversion rate from 1% to 3%, the cost per acquisition is 33. That's the power that the conversion rate has on your landing page. So the step 2 is diagnose the leak with data. Enterprise IT teams simultaneously, it will be a mess. So find your niche zero, the single most profitable and most painful to serve audience, and write your entire landing page to only talk to them. Use their specific industry language, directly address their specific objections, and mention the tools and processes they already use. The key for conversion is specificity. So if your copy isn't actively repelling the wrong customers, maybe it isn't specific enough. And copy is science. I mean, it's all about testing. It's not art, okay? It's the A/B test mandate. So if you don't have or you are not sending a lot of traffic to your website, what you can do is, if you don't have enough traffic for simultaneous A/B testing, implement sequential testing. So launch the highest impact change, for example, the new headline, for a week, okay, for a full week. You can measure the conversion rate, and then you can change it for the old one. I mean, for the text that was before that headline, and you measure the results. Don't rely on what you think that could happen. I mean, always try to measure everything. I believe is the key to success when writing copy. Now, all the things that I will teach you here are useless if you don't implement them. So try to do it in the next 24 hours, okay? Go and open your landing page right now, okay? Try to do it. I mean, highlight your main headline and primary call to action, and ask the hard question, the question that no one wants to ask, okay? And does it sell a feature, a tool, or an outcome, I mean a result? If it's a feature, rewrite it using the clarity principle, the what, who, and why, and launch the new version within the next few hours. If this video helped you, you can subscribe to the channel, because I will keep uploading videos that can help you a lot to increase the conversion rate on your landing page, specifically if you are a software as a service founder. And in case you didn't you didn't see the call to action, I'm building a tool that will help you increase the conversion rate based on your data. So that's why it will be better than any AI copywriting tool that exists right now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.